Hello. For today, I'm going to be teaching you how to dance Black Nag. Black Nag was one of the dances out of John Playford's The English Dancing Master. Now let's get started. Now, as it is with most English country dances, there is siding, arming, and stuff, as well as a double at the very beginning. For this dance, you want 3 couples. As you can see, I'm only one person, so please bear with me. And I'm going to try to show you this dance in the different dance positions. So you will have Lord 1, Lord 2, Lord 3, and then Lady 1, Lady 2, Lady 3. Now, at the very beginning of the dance, you will grab hands with your partner. At the moment, I will be in the Lady 1 position. Grab hands with your partner. You want heavy hands, so have your hands down by your sides. And you're going to start with your left foot, and you're going to go forward 4 counts. So left, right, left. And now, if you want to just touch, if you want to kick, that's up to you. And then, so that was beat 4. Now you're going to go back on your right foot. So right, left, right together. That was so much fun. Let's do it again. Left, left together, right, right together. Now this is where it becomes important as far as knowing which couple you are. The head of the hall couple, the first couple closest to the music, is couple 1, couple 2 is the middle couple, and couple 3 is the couple furthest from the music. Now, at this point, you will turn and face your face your partner, grab both hands, and now the first couple is going to do what I like to call glumping. And you're going to do slips to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, and stop. Then pretend I'm now in the couple 2 position. Couple 2. Everyone faces their partner at the same time. So couple 1 goes glump, glump, glump. Now couple 2 does their glumping. And then you stand and wait for couple 3 to go glump, glump, glump. And then you drop hands and you turn over your left shoulder. Now grab hands again with your partner. And the third couple, or couple number 3, they are going to go glump, glump, glump back to their original position. So third couple, glump, glump, glump. Right now I'm in the couple 2 position. We will go glump, glump, glump. And then the first couple will go glump, glump, glump. And then turn over your left shoulder. For the purposes of this video, under normal circumstances at SCA events, I would stop here and go over that again with people. But since this is a video, if you need to, please feel free to stop, rewind, and watch that again until you've got those steps. So we've done our siding, we've done our glumping. Now you're still facing your corner. You are going to side right. So that means you're going to do 4 steps forward and meet each other at the right shoulder. So from the ladies' position, at this point, it doesn't matter, lady 1, 2, or 3, I'm going to go left, left together, and I'm going to be right shoulder to right shoulder with my partner. And then right, right together, back to my original position. Now if I'm one of the lords, Lord 1, 2, or 3, again, it doesn't matter with this, I'm going to go left, left together, and I'm meeting my partner with my right shoulder over here, and then right, right together. So it looks the same, regardless if you're a lord or a lady. After you've done your double, your glumping, your siding, the next part are the switches. For this moment in time, pretend I am a lord, and I am in the first position, so I'm Lord 1. Lord 1 and Lady 3 are going to switch, passing each other by the right shoulder, and they're going to go back to back. So Lord 1 is going to go skip, skip, skip into Lady 3's position. So right, right. Now I'm supposed to be in Lady 3's position. Now, if I were Lady 3 and I'm passing Lord 1, I would do the same thing. We're going to pass each other back to back, and our right shoulder is going to be directing me where I'm going. So if I were Lady 3 starting out, I would have gone just like that into Lord 1's position. Now, after Lord 1 and Lady 3 switch, then it's Lady 1 and Lord 3 who switch, and they will switch by the left shoulder. And again, they cross back to back as they skip, skip, skip into each other's positions. If you've noticed, we've had Lord 1, Lady 3, and Lady 1, Lord 3, but this whole time, Lady 2 and Lord 2 have just been standing here watching the exchanges. At this point, I'd say it just depends on which shoulder you want to pass each other. I find the right shoulder to be easiest, but maybe work that out or watch what your partner is going to do, because some people might lead by the left shoulder and you don't want to have a collision course on the dance floor. So with this, you would just switch with your partner, for Lady 2 and Lord 2. That was so much fun. Turn over your shoulder. Now, in the same order that you did before, go back to your original position. So Lord 1, Lady 3, go back to their positions. Lord 3, Lady 1, go back to their positions. And then Lady 2 and Lord 2, go back to their positions. And then turn over your left shoulder. As you know, with English country, there is siding, arming, and stuff. Well, we've done our siding. We've done some of our stuff. Now it's time for arming. At this point, grab right hands with your partner. Grab hands, and you're going to do an 8-count circle with your hands being the center of that circle. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop right hands and grab left hands. And same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At this point, the ladies are all going to stand and just stay put for a moment while they watch the lords. The lords are going to do what is known as a hey. And I will be right back. Now don't mind me as I get a little creative. I'm going to be Lord 1. This is Lord 2 and Lord 3. For the purposes of this, that's why I've brought these out for props. So a hey is pretty much you're doing a figure 8 in between the other two dancers. So for this, it's the Lord's hey, so you are doing the figure 8 with the other two lords. And with this, normally I'm used to the hey going inside the circle first, but sometimes if the Lord wants to go the other way, if he wants to go outside, you just follow Lord 1, whichever way he goes. So if I'm Lord 1, I face down the circle, I face down the line, and if I go this way, then Lord 2 is automatically going to go this way, outside the circle, while Lord 1 goes in. If Lord 1 goes out, then Lord 2 goes in. Lord 3 goes in the same direction that Lord 1 went. So if Lord 1 goes in this, into the set first, Lord 3 will take a step, and he will momentarily also go into the middle. So for that figure 8, I'm going to step in, and I'm going to go around Lord 2, around Lord 3, and go all the way around. I'm going to go around Lord 2 again, and go around back into my original positions. Now, the lords stand and watch the ladies do the exact same thing. So, hello. For this, I am Lady 3. You can see I've got Lady 1, Lady 2, and Lady 3. Lady 1 is going to start. She's going into the set, go around Lady 2, and then it will be my turn. So, Lady 1 starts with Lady 2. Lady 3 has to wait a moment until Lady 1 comes towards her, and now I will go around, and go around, all the way around, go around again, back into my original positions, and then the dance is done. Bow or curtsy. Congratulations, you've done Black Nag. watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask and subscribe.